In this video, we'll cover the agreed upon practices for managing materials in Schoology, as outlined in the Schoology Teacher User Guide. By the end of this video, you'll be able to upload materials to Schoology, create folders to organize the content, and create and upload your HKIS syllabus. Following these guidelines will ensure consistency in our course delivery and student data. Communicating with parents is an important part of the teaching and learning cycle. As outlined in the HKIS philosophy of learning, feedback should be embedded within the cycles of teaching and learning, including specific evidence in relation to identifying learning goals in order to promote continuous learning and growth. To begin, we'll cover the uploading of materials to Schoology. Schoology allows you to upload various types of media, including documents, images, and videos. All courses must have a course overview available at the top of the materials list. Teachers are encouraged to organise consistently with their teaching team so that students and parents have only one organisational system to navigate. Folders should be organised by unit, and within each unit folder you may elect to include subfolders including assessments and resources. It's also encouraged that faculty members include a Zoom link for parent-teacher conferences and typhoon days. A video on creating and uploading assessments will be shown later on. However, when assessments are created, we need to ensure that we use the correct naming conventions and that all assessments are posted 1 week before the deadline. To begin, we're going to cover uploading materials to Schoology. As mentioned previously, Schoology allows you to upload a variety of files, including documents, videos, and images. To start off, we click on the Add Materials button on the top left of your content screen, and then we're going to select the Add Files, Links, and External Tools button. You'll then be presented with a pop-up screen with 3 options. For the first time, we're going to select the File option. Once you've selected File, you'll be presented with another pop-up window which will allow you to select the files or attach the files from your machine. You also have the options to align these materials and also to assign them individually to students if you wish. Going back to our previous pop-up screen with the 3 options, this time we're going to click on the Link option, which is the option in the middle of the screen. This option has the ability for you to add the link or the URL, add a title, so this is what will actually appear for the students. Again, we can align this to learning objectives, which you don't need to do initially, and we can also assign this to individual students if we choose. For the last time, going back to our materials pop-up screen, we have the external tool option. External tools are configured by the IT department, so if you have any requests for external tools, they need to be sent to the web help desk so that they can be configured. Currently we have a few tools available such as Edpuzzle and also UniCheck. However, these change year by year, and we may need to check in with the tech coaches to ensure that you have the tools available for you. Once you've selected your external tool, from there most of the settings are already configured for you and you can simply click Submit. The last material that we're going to show you how to add in this video is to add a folder. Again, if you click on Add Materials and Add Folder, you'll be presented with a pop-up screen. From this screen we can give the folder a title. We can also color code the folders, which is useful, especially when you're organizing different units for different parts of the year. We can add a description, we can add a date that it can appear or make it a certain date where the unit is being run, and we can also make this published or unpublished. Once folders have been created, we can drag and drop our materials into the folders to create the desired hierarchy. In the next video, we're going to be looking at the differences between the Mastery standards-based gradebook and also the Legacy gradebook, which you may be familiar with. This will be all included within the gradebook setup.